your kids, your peers, the family, they get inspired by today. Like I would say, people who used to laugh at me, maybe now, be inspired by me.
So, how do you help your, coaches or entrepreneurs to go ahead, like overcome this mental blocks of, over analyzing, self doubts, and yeah.
So
So,
you should be like that kindergarten kid, ready to fall, fail, get up, smile, अपने पे हंसो एंड जस्ट मूव ऑन. सो ये ट्रेट होना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपकी इमेज, आपका रेपुटेशन, यू डोंट वांट टू रिस्क इट, देन डोंट ट्राई एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. ये रेपुटेशन सबसे पहले घर पे ही खराब होने वाली है. सो पीपल बाय योर बाय बिफोर दे बाय योर प्रोडक्ट.
help me understand what's your idea of, mental health and emotional wellness.
आई थिंक इट्स ओवरलुक्ड एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि अभी लोग इस बारे में बात करते हैं. जब हम लोग व्हेन वी वर टीन्स, इसका कोई आउट ऑफ सिलेबस था ये सब कुछ.
I'm happy and excited to have this conversation with a coach for coaches, mentor for
Yes.
coaches. So, ma'am, I would, like to know about your institute, the Ranjini Sanjay Coaching Business School, a little bit before we, proceed ahead with our conversation.
Yeah. So I'm really happy to have this conversation because we are going to talk more about, the mental health and well-being part of entrepreneurs, especially coaches and educators in this domain. And I am predominantly working with them, helping them, design their courses online, helping them launch their, services in a way that learning how to do it online. As you were telling me, camera friendly नहीं होते हैं लोग. So how to face the camera and, predominantly working online. क्योंकि मैं भी, I work from home and I can do both. Like I have best of both worlds, being with family and having having to work with people, doing a work that I really love, I'm so passionate about. So then again, I also do podcasts like you. I have my own channel and I do a lot of content. And the main goal of my coaching institute is to help them make money, because I personally had a bad phase in my entrepreneurial journey with my previous business where I didn't see profits. I was, more, focused. We start with a dream. All entrepreneurs, we start with a dream of, doing something really amazing, not just for ourselves, but for the world. So success, seeing success and bringing that dream to reality. So often money plays a very important role. So it decides whether you are winning or whether you are losing. So I am a business coach helping coaches, healers make their dream income and impact online. So that's all about the work I do.
That is something which I realized very, later, that I was very much, focused on going ahead with the idea of working towards the social cause, but then eventually I realized, figured out that it's the person that it's first ourselves that we, need to serve, and then we will be able to, serve others. So yeah, I could
Yes.
relate to it. I really liked asking people from non-mental health field to, help me understand what's your idea of, mental health and emotional wellness.
Good. It's a good question. It needs a lot of, a reflection for me to really give you this answer. But I've been always a top performer all my life. So, शायद, achieving things, लोगों को लगता था कि it's little easier, she's intelligent, she's confident, So जो A graders होते हैं ना, उनको थोड़ा, people have कि they can get going and get achieving. But no, whether you are successful or whether you're no in the second line or the third line, wherever you are in the race, there is definitely a lot of health related aspect that we don't even look at it,
True.
even for kids, because my daughter is teen and she's doing her boards. I can really see how stressed she can be, and for my younger one also, so often, like even for adults, we are in a race all the time, and we never have that. Only when something hits very hard on yourself, like you have a health issue, your body starts to tell you like, no, it's not going good. And when it comes to emotional and mental well-being, maybe physically you look okay,
Mhm.
but emotionally, it's a very tough part to really see what's inside. Even फैमिली मेंबर्स को भी पता नहीं होता है कि क्या चल रहा है. एंड आई थिंक इट्स ओवरलुक्ड. एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि अभी लोग इस बारे में बात करते हैं. जब हम लोग व्हेन वी वर टीन्स, इसका कोई आउट ऑफ सिलेबस था ये सब कुछ. एटलीस्ट आई वुड कंसिडर कि वो अवेयरनेस ही नहीं थी. Neither we could see for kids, neither we could see for adults. But when I look back at my life and people around me, there's so much of no could have been, things could have been better, relationship would have been better, things could have been different today if that could have been addressed very early. So my personal since I'm not a you know don't come from this domain,
Mhm.
but considering like what I see, it's completely ignored. Even it's still like abhi bhi, I can clearly see evidences ki we don't really look at it until we are hit hard with some problem.
Uh,
Hmm.
as we see that most of the people are taking over entrepreneurship, बहुत ladies भी are trying to set up their own business. So how do you help your coaches or the entrepreneurs to go ahead, like overcome this mental blocks of over analyzing, self doubts, and yeah, all those aspects?
Yeah. So मेरे एक्सपीरियंस में जितना मैंने लाइक नो हैविंग वर्क विद मोर देन 100 पीपल, आई वुड से मैंने जो पैटर्न देखा है. So even like I have one of my clients who is a YouTuber. She makes money through YouTube, cooking, अपनी recipes है, फिर वो भजन करती है, जैन श्लोकास करती है, she sings, she does art and craft. So YouTube is paying her for the videos she does. you know as simple as that. You're just using your skill and sharing with the world, like just helping her audience. So simple से simple था ये. Cooking तो हम सभी करते हैं, right? And starting with that, now coming from that to teaching finance, teaching academics, like जैसे maths पढ़ा रहे हैं, या फिर you're helping people, coaching, लाइफ कोचिंग, जहाँ हम मेंटल वेलबींग की बात कर रहे हैं. सो ऑल ऑफ दिस कैन बी मोनेटाइज्ड.
Mhm.
बट द जो फर्स्ट जो पैरामीटर होता है, जो मैं बता देती हूँ उनको, कि अगर आप जॉब में बहुत अच्छे हो, लाइक यू आर रियली गुड, यू वन ऑफ द टॉप पीपल, यू विल फेल रियली, लाइक उल्टा हो जाएगा एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में. वो नो द बिगर फेलियर you will see as an entrepreneur, because that success that you have from a job, from being a somebody who's following task, a schedule, delivering on timeline, वो जो आपका ट्रेट है, वो जब आप एम्प्लॉई से एम्प्लॉयर बन जाते हो, it turns it around. So you need a different skill set to succeed as an entrepreneur. So
Mhm.
ये मैं पहले ही बता देती हूँ, क्योंकि after 40 you really don't like to fail. Right? And reject होना, people are giving you ज्ञान कि ये गलत हो गया. So
Right.
you should be like that kindergarten kid, ready to fall, fail, get up, smile, अपने पे हंसे हो. एंड जस्ट मूव ऑन. सो ये ट्रेट होना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपकी इमेज, आपका रेपुटेशन, यू डोंट वांट टू रिस्क इट, देन डोंट ट्राई एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. ये रेपुटेशन सबसे पहले घर पे ही खराब होने वाली है. So that is my first advice.
Okay.
If you have the courage to really redesign yourself, give you a different image, and finally the why. Why would you do it? क्योंकि हम जब पेरेंट्स बनते हैं तब हमें पता है हम ये क्यों कर रहे हैं. वी वांट टू हैव अ फैमिली. We have clear reasons to become a parent and not bring somebody in our life, and उसके लिए हम अपनी like we give our life to that baby. And if that kind of a, so you need to have a very strong reason to do entrepreneurship. ऐसा नहीं है कि आज YouTube चल रहा है, let me start my channel, I'll be a millionaire. It won't go for long. So very strong reason to do. And even if nobody is looking at you what you're doing, you're still pursuing that dream, pursuing that vision. And it is so important that matters to you, so that every day you will be motivated to get up and get going and do something about your entrepreneurial dream.
So when you
जैसे
are also talking about, the traits of people, like as you mentioned that you were also, among the high achievers. So skill set और traits के बारे में जब आप बात कर रहे थे, I would, love to listen more about, the skill set and the traits of, how, what will actually help in, getting uh, up from those
yeah,
down, like the coping mechanism what we call it, कैसे फेस करे इन सारी चीजों को.
yeah. So this is very important because entrepreneurial journey में every day is different. It's an unpredictable, आज कुछ हो रहा है, कुछ today is you're winning, tomorrow you're losing. So it's like a ride only. And over a period, so when you start, it is very difficult. Let me put it that way. Initially, this is very difficult. That's why people uh, uh, people quit easily. That's why we have mentors, we have communities जो उस जर्नी में ऑलरेडी चल रहे हैं हमारे साथ, तो उनके साथ रहने में एक मोटिवेशन रहता है. अच्छा, इनके साथ भी, और मैं अकेली नहीं हूँ, राइट? You feel empowered by other women, other people who are stronger, going in the line. मेंटर्स जो ऑलरेडी हमसे आगे हैं, वो ये पाथ ट्राई कर चुके हैं, दे विल गिव अस लाइक डोंट वरी, इट्स यू कैन गेट थ्रू दिस. सो हैविंग मेंटर्स, हैविंग कम्युनिटीज, एंड बहुत से लोगों को वो एनवायरनमेंट नहीं मिलता है. दे गो अगेंस्ट देयर एनवायरनमेंट एंड यू नो देन इट बिकम्स डबल टास्क फॉर देम, मेंटली, फिजिकली. बाउंड्रीज बहुत स्ट्रांग बनानी पड़ती है कि लोगों का कॉन्वर्सेशन क्या बोल रहे हैं वो हमें अफेक्ट ना करे. एंड पीपल टू क्योंकि हमें लोग भी चाहिए, रिसोर्सेज भी चाहिए, एनवायरनमेंट भी चाहिए, तो टू ब्रीथ, सो दैट माई ड्रीम लिव्स with me, and beyond me also it survives. And self work is very difficult. After 40 it becomes even harder. So अगर आप early शुरू करे हो, congratulations, it's easier for you to mold
But
yourself. Yeah.
I really want to ask you a very specific question, which is, very relatable to me also. When we have to, set up a business and run it, the most important thing is, I think, marketing. So marketing is something which is, the toughest task, because हमें वो प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए कि हम उसको मार्केट करें. एंड देयर इज ऑलवेज दिस थिंग कि अच्छा, मेरा प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस, इज इट वर्थ इट कि ये डालू या नहीं, इज इट लाइक गुड टू गो, इज इट परफेक्ट टू गो आउट, या फिर वो एक शाइनेस होती है, अच्छा मैं डायरेक्टली प्रमोट करूँ या सटली थोड़ा हिंट दे के फिर उसको एलैबोरेट करूँ. सो ये सारा जो एंग्शियसनेस होता है, एंड देन देयर इज अ रेजिस्टेंस इन promoting your brand, promoting yourself. So how can we, deal with it? Is there anything to, do about this anxious phase?
Yeah. If people don't know who you are, what you offer, how do they even come and buy from you? So marketing again, a lot of people struggle here, no, and recently I termed this word कि लोग मेरे पास आते हैं कि कोई और मार्केटिंग कर दे, और हम सिर्फ अपना नो प्रोडक्ट, नो वी विल डिलीवर एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, वी विल टेक केयर ऑफ द फेस ऑफ इट, नो, बट मार्केटिंग कोई और कर ले कोई और इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बात करे, कोई और इसके इसका सेल्स कॉन्वर्सेशन करे. सेलिंग इज वेरी टफ फॉर मेनी पीपल, marketing and selling, and this is where it's a game changer. So जैसा मैंने पहले भी बताया कि the success that you need in this journey, the work is on you. So
हम्म
marketing का मैं clear relation बताती हूँ. How good are you at building relationships with people?
हम्म
If you're good at it, definitely आपकी marketing पे वो दिखेगा कि you are so good at talking about yourself, talking about the work that you do, your self expression, your thought process, your philosophy. ऐसा नहीं कि हर every time I need to take my product and take the pricing and मैं सिर्फ उसके बारे में बात करूं. मैं अपनी philosophy बता सकती हूँ कि why I am doing this. मैं अपनी आइडियोलॉजी के बारे में बता सकती हूँ, मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस के बारे में बता सकती हूँ. आई सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन, आई से दैट unfiltered self expression, and you're shameless about it. I'm shameless to say that I'm here to help you, because
हम्म
I know I'm here to make a difference in your life, which is on a good side, that you live a happy, healthy life. That's why I'm here for. It's not about my product and I'm making money after selling this product. My intent is different. मैं जिस intention से ये काम कर रही हूँ, that matters. And you're so shameless about really, putting it out again and again, everyday basis. वो चाहे आपके status पे दिख रहा हो, या फिर आपके LinkedIn के article में हो, या आपके Instagram की reel में हो. You are out loud there because you are clear why I'm here for. And that's you're so much aligned with what you are, who you are, and my purpose of doing what I'm doing. That love comes from that confidence. And with this, you build relation. आप लोगों से, see, when you speak authentically, when you make that real communication, your real conversation, ये सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट बेचने का ट्रिक नहीं है, हैक नहीं है कि मेरा एक प्रोडक्ट बिक जाए. आई एम हियर टू सर्व, आई एम हियर टू हेल्प. व्हेन दैट इज कम्युनिकेटेड, आपके मार्केट से, मार्केट में कौन है? लोग हैं. लोगों के पास पैसा है ना. यू वांट दैट मनी फ्रॉम देम, एंड इट इज विद अदर पीपल. तो लोगों से रिश्ता बनाना आना चाहिए. सो इफ यू आर लाइक, इफ यू कैन लुक एट योर सेल्फ इन योर फैमिली, इफ यूर समबडी, यूर अ गो टू पर्सन, यू माइट हैव सीन दैट पीपल, नो, कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो इस बंदे के पास जाके बताना है ना. यू आर दैट पीपल पर्सन. उनके लिए मार्केटिंग इज वेरी इजी. एंड जिनके लिए डिफिकल्ट है, दे हैव टू लर्न इट टू बिल्ड रिलेशनशिप. पीपल बाय योर वाई बिफोर दे बाय योर प्रोडक्ट. People buy your why before they buy your product. So marketing का अगर game changing skill that you need to learn is building relationship and meaningfully connecting with your audience. ये आपको master करना ही पड़े. It's non-negotiable. Then the second thing comes is the selling part. क्योंकि you can be great at communication and connection, but जैसे ना, खाना तो मैंने बना लिया, लोगों को बुला भी दिया, आओ चलो लंच करते हैं, बट मैं खाना ही सर्व नहीं कर रही हूँ. दैट्स कॉल्ड सेलिंग. आप खाना सर्व तो करो, टेबल पे लोगों को बुलाओ खाने के लिए. दैट इज सेल्स. और काफी लोगों को ये सेल्स करने में भी, दिस इज वेयर इट इज कि मैं पैसे कैसे मांगू, हाउ डू आई पिच, हाउ डू आई चार्ज, एम आई
हम्म
चार्ज करेक्ट,
Right.
सो दिस इज वेयर, सो आई रिलेटेड विद दिस. जब हमने किसी को गेस्ट को बुलाया है, लाइक वेबिनार, वेबिनार इज योर लंच पार्टी. You're calling people, you're talking about the food, मैंने ऐसा बनाया वैसे बनाया, it's so tasty, but you're not serving. That's why when you open your offer कि this is ready to buy, you can eat, you can enjoy, take the benefit of the delicious food I have created. That's the process. That ease has to come. So marketing and selling. And जो लोग, many people come and say ना, जैसे मैं शुरू में बता रही थी कि they don't want to do it. It is like surrogacy. आपको बेबी चाहिए, बट आप उसे 9 month बेयर नहीं कर सकते. यू कांट टेक द पेन ऑफ दैट 9 months जर्नी, go through the labor and deliver the baby, but you want the baby. This is that tactic. Then business is, this is like, no, आपने surrogate किसी और को दे रखा है कि you take it. I'll just own the final product. That's the money I get. Final product में मुझे interest है. बाकी pain आप देखो. So this is, so I can clearly see कि the business for them is about just getting the benefit out of it, not doing the work. So जब हम, when you go through the labor and deliver the baby, you know how much has gone into to deliver that. That's why, that relationship with your product, your business is different. When you conceive the idea, you create, you build, you nurture, and you deliver. And when you see that baby growing, that's the final thing, no? You are just the creator of it. And when you see your kids growing up, the every year they grow, the delight, the happiness is huge.
So,
Um,
when you were talking about, how to overcome that downfall or the feeling of failure or in starting up the business, you mentioned about, the environment that we create around. We need to be very firm with the people we are interacting. And you also gave an example of how coaching, the business coaching thing works really best for, being around the like-minded people who want to grow. So this is what I got from our conversation until now. But I would like you to highlight कि कैसे एक कोच, एक बिजनेस कोच हेल्प कर सकता है हमें, एंड हाउ इट विल हेल्प टू be at more peace and like lessen our like stress of all those negative thoughts and all those things around.
yeah. So I'll give you an example of my life. Come from a family where हाई परफॉर्मर्स है, सब जॉब करते हैं, एवरीबडी, कोई एंटरप्रेन्योर नहीं है. आई एम द फर्स्ट जनरेशन एंटरप्रेन्योर. सो आई डिसाइडेड टू क्विट माय कॉर्पोरेट जॉब एंड स्टार्ट. सो घर में तो लाइक नो बवाल मच गया कि लाइक व्हाट इज शी अप टू. अच्छी खासी जॉब छोड़ा है. माय किड्स वर 4 and 6, वेरी यंग. तो माय मॉम सेड कि बच्चे बड़े हो जाएंगे तब करना. सो आई वाज लाइक, तब तक मेरा एंथुजियाज्म, मेरी हेल्थ, आई डोंट नो वेयर इट विल बी और वेदर आई विल बी देयर और ऑल्सो नॉट. But let me fulfill on my dream when I have it. I'm not parking it कि मैं 2 साल बाद करूंगी. So a lot of struggle to really fight with the environment, because my philosophy, my idea was completely out of zone with the kind of family I had. तो मेरे लिए बहुत स्ट्रगल था. एंड बिकॉज आई हैव टेकन अ जर्नी, आई डोंट नो, आई एम नॉट स्किल्ड, आई एम नॉट equipped enough to succeed, and eventually I failed. मैं 4-5 साल में I had to close my business of schools, and then I got into a lot of self doubt. मेरा confidence चला गया. I made a huge loss in finance. तो वो भी बहुत प्रेशर था कि अरे इतना नुकसान कर दिया. अब no talking about entrepreneurship, go for a job. And initially again family के साथ struggle continues था. But the moment I got a mentor and a community where, then I found, oh, मेरे जैसे 200 लोग और भी हैं. Then it becomes, little easier कि I am not alone. I was not hard on myself. I would really settle कि मेरे जैसे और लोग भी, I am not the only idiot in this planet. So और भी लोग हैं जो इस journey में हैं. And they're still, they believe in their vision, they believe in their idea of change, idea of impact. And I think that gave me a push. जब मैंने वो environment choose कर लिया, वो जो 10 के लेवल पे काम चल रहा था, वो 100-200 पे चला गया. So the community, the energy that they give you, the people give you, your mentor guides you. You are like, no, springboard हो जाता है. Then there's no looking back. Then you become a mentor and you guide others. So that's the journey as an entrepreneur. Today you may be struggling, tomorrow you will be leading, and people will be following your path. My life, because मैंने भी अपना coaching, like the service that I've created is, see, in my last conversation, as I said, no, you being shameless about talking about why you're here and what you do. And one good reason of doing it कि आपकी life में जो भी हुआ है, it's a unique journey that you have, the place you're born, the family you're into, जो आपने decisions लिए, the experiences that you have got, and when you voice it out, आप YouTube पे जाके you're sharing your why, you're sharing your story, you're sharing other people's story. So often the USP comes from you, the very fact that who you are and why are you here for, and with the unique journey that you have got. For the closing remark, I would say it's always count on yourself as a leader. It's not like कि I can, आप अपने आप को लिमिट कर लेते हो कि मुझे यहाँ पहुंचना है, वहां पहुंचना है. It's always being that leader who is leading, अपने आप को डायरेक्शन दे रहा है through your philosophy. The way you started this podcast is your idea. It's, and you have to then build on it कि मुझे इस मैसेज से, इस चैनल से, इसके थ्रू मुझे क्या, how do I see a difference in the world, what people will have, what the world will have. So we keep expanding, we keep exploring, we keep talking about it to people. फिर लोग जुड़ जाते हैं, okay, I will collaborate with you, I want to work with you, and it becomes a group, a community, a tribe. फिर tribe से फिर वो tribe का काम इतना impactful हो जाता है कि it becomes a movement, कि आपको लोग कॉपी करने लगते हैं, कि it goes from one country to another, it becomes a global phenomenon. So that's how a small idea can create a global impact. It just starts with you and you holding on that to you. Or maybe when even we are not there, we give that, philosophy, the legacy for the future generation. So you have to come from that perspective of leading. And this journey may, like if I look at my kids, you have demonstrated leader than somebody who is telling what to do and not to do. So your kids, your peers, the family, they get inspired by it. Today, like I would say, people who used to laugh at me, maybe now, be inspired by me.
Well, so that was it from my side, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. It's an honor